Okay, as you guys remember, a year ago I was having some problem with these guys right here. This is the famous bottle lights from Honda, the ON lights, and these lights cost around $69. Let's check it right here. Let me show you right here in this picture. Take a look. Yeah, you guys saw, this light is very expensive for a defective light that I think must be recalled by Honda. But I'm assuming that because it's basically a not noticeable part of the vehicle, well, they not even care and they just leave it like that. Actually, this is it means for them it's gonna be a win-win after the warranty period, because you're gonna be replacing these like crazy and paying for these lights and taking the car to the dealer, your vehicle or pickup truck or whatever you have, because this light is not only for the Ridgeline. This light is for the Odyssey, is also for the Accord, depending the place you put it on. I noticed it got a different areas depending the vehicle. The only problem in the smart thing they do, they change the part number, but basically it is the same, and depending the vehicle you have is more expensive. This same light, just they change a number, and because they said this one light this one doesn't fit the Odyssey, they change the price and goes probably cheaper or expensive, all depends, and depending on how is the demand on this. And I think it's not fair by Honda. And as you guys see, the way this pickup truck looks with those lights, especially for the very expensive doorstep, the lighted doorsteps, that I think they are beautiful, they are strong, well made and everything, except for that light. I love how the way it looks like. It's very nice, and it's bad because that guys that don't know how to fix that or repair that, or guys like like me or somebody else watching this video that take the step further to replace the light and say no, we are not gonna stick with this, I'm gonna make a change. Those guys get screwed up by Honda, and that's not right. And I thanks God I find out this company Osnion, that I still bought extra lights just for in case something happen and get burned out. But these lights are amazing. I love these lights. I'm telling you guys, they are not paying me anything to say this. Like I told you guys, my channel is a very honest channel, and I'm trying to tell the truth to everybody, and these lights are something like I never seen before. And why? Well, let me explain you something. As you guys remember, I installed the famous Raptor lights in my Honda right in the front, and I'm using this remote to turn it on and off instead of connect the lights on the headlights that you can do. I leave the connection if I want to change it in the future, but I prefer to use this guy like this. Let me show you, and I can turn it on and off whenever I want. And I install it like that, and look at how it looks. It's a completely different look when these lights are on. This beautiful blue, and I'm telling you why these lights are so good. Well, not even, look, you can touch this, and as you guys can see, my finger looks like my finger is getting burned out. But guys, I'm telling you, this thing, it is amazing. And these lights, you can feel it hot, yeah, but not the way that you can tell that, oh my god, it's burning my hand, or it's gonna burn the plastic, because that was one of my concerns. I think, well, I'm gonna take the chance. If this thing gets too hot, well, I screwed up. But guys, guess what? And you know, I was thinking that, you know, I'm gonna make this video today, because when I was heading my car after basically 11 hours of work, I started at 9 o'clock, and I went home at 7:15 or something like that. It's almost 10 hours. It doesn't matter, 9 hours, 10 hours, you know, I forgot to trigger this. And guess what happened? You know, that's the only bad thing about this. The only thing I like of this thing is, if I don't want the lights on, I just turn this off by myself. That's the thing I love with this remote. And if you guys check my video, I'm gonna put the link at the end. You guys can see not only where to get those Osnion lights. You guys can get it also in Amazon. They have it right now at Amazon. But you guys can see how I did all those lights. I did it very, very professional. That's the way I like to do my jobs in my vehicle. Not something like I put a wire and put lights and that's it, tape and that's it. No, I don't like the way some other guys do it. I like to do it very, very professional. And you know, well, I forgot to turn it off. And guess what? When I get back, these lights were on, and you know, I can tell you guys, these lights, I had these lights on in very, very hot days, and you know, I was nervous the first time I found this. Take a look, guys. I'm touching that thing right there, and as you guys can, if you guys can see, you know, let me see if you guys can see a little bit right there. You guys see the integrity of the plastic. It's not even, you don't see any degradation on the plastic right there. It's you know, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, right there you guys can see. If you guys pause the video and try, let me just try to see if I can do something. Okay. You guys see? You don't see any melt or something like that. And as you guys can see, I'm touching this, and my finger is you know, yellow and everything, and you know, and it's the same thing for all of these lights. You know, you don't feel these lights hot, the way that you feel like, oh my god, I'm gonna get burned out. No, these lights of course get hot because they need energy, but not the way that it's gonna melt your plastic. And it's amazing how low energy these lights consume. Everybody, all my coworkers tell me, my god, man, you're probably not gonna have battery when you get back. You left your lights on. I said, my goodness, man. And guess what? When I got back, I just pressed the remote, started again, turned it off, and asking God, please let me start my car, and boom, I cranked it with no problems. These lights are the best lights for me in the market for any situation you guys need. And you know, it's the solution too for these door steps. Also, you know, I told you guys that I'm gonna do another project, but I didn't have the time to do it. But I'm gonna do something different right here somewhere. I don't want to tell you guys because I don't want to, you know, screw it up, and I don't want somebody else take the idea. But I'm gonna do something very different in a future video. I know you guys will love it, or some of you guys, not everybody, because everybody got a different choices and different things that like or not. But guys, listen, these lights are the best lights for me. If not the best in the markets, they are between the first lights, because Osnium, I don't know, you know, so far I didn't test another lights. I see guys complaining about other brands and everything, but Osnion, the only thing I can tell about this company is only good things. And I remember when I got one of the lights that in the very beginning got a different, they give you the warranty for 1 year, and listen, it's already a 1 year, and these lights, I got no problems with these lights. And You know, I talk to the customer service and everything. They very nice people. You guys can talk to them. And like I told you guys, you know, in the very beginning when I installed these guys, they gave me a coupon for those guys that wanna buy the lights, and it was a discount for everybody. Probably if you guys check the link, you guys will see the other video with that coupon. Well guys, probably that coupon is not good no more. It's not working coupon. I gotta basically I'm gonna leave it right there in case it works, but I don't think so. But these lights, this Honda lights comparison the Osnion lights, forget about it. This is like a compare Mike Tyson with I don't know, man, with a mouse. Mike Tyson with a mouse. It's like something ridiculous, you know. He can step on this thing, and it's no competition against Osnion. Osnion is amazing lights, powerful, strong, and you know, energy efficient, real efficient. All right guys, well guys, this is a review for these Osnion lights and the Honda lights after 1 year of use. All right guys, please thumbs up, subscribe, share with another guys that maybe have these lights and getting problems. If you know somebody, well, just share it. Just check these lights. You guys can get these very cheap lights, $7, $9, depending on the light you want. And that's it guys. Well, I'll see you guys in another Just My Review. God bless you all, and guys, thumbs up again, and God bless you all. Bye bye guys.